Good morning. It's Tuesday, July 18th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Looking at the precious metals overnight here, they were slightly stronger, led by gold up $10, trading at $19.66. Silver up 13 cents, $25.14. Copper down 2, still feeling the hangover of yesterday at $3.82. And then you got platinum up 5, $9.93, really approaching that $1,000 level again. So most of the markets they were able to overcome, especially U.S. equities, especially some of the metals here like the silver market, coming back and overcoming that weak Chinese data. So throughout today, we do have some retail earnings coming out and then also industrial production. The equity markets will move on that retail sales report. That's the one that's most looked at this week, kind of under the microscope. And then the industrial production numbers are going to move some of the other commodities. You'll probably see silver, copper, crude oil all move on that release there. So, and yes, these numbers, they really do matter here because I really believe there's quite a bit of complacency in the market right now. And then overseas, you're going to have the U.K. CPI data come out. So if that comes out hotter, you'll see the British pound extend up, dollar will go down, your precious metals, they'll probably all get a boost. If that contracts, you'll probably see the dollar lift up, little pullback here. So it's natural that if you look at the chart pattern of precious metals, they went up after the CPI, big blowout. Now they're starting to consolidate. So they're going to make a move either way or the other. So we're going to want to keep an eye on that. You do have Tesla earnings too. I think that's the one that could really impact, obviously the NASDAQ, obviously the S&P and everything else the most. I think that there's, quite a bit of speculation in that market too. Some other things that I caught, Yellen, she said that the intensity of the U.S. hiring demand has subsided. Remember, the labor market, that's the one that they want to see contract in order for them to not raise rates anymore. And then a couple of key targets. I saw HSBC, they came out with a year-end target on platinum, 1080. I saw Citigroup with 2100 on gold. I think these are all completely achievable. You got any questions? We'll probably be adding some more copper here today, taking some shorts on the Russell market. Still waiting on crude oil. It's got to get to like $70 or below on that December contract. Some of the grains we've been adding on disappointing action after the day progressed on the agricultural markets because they're really focused on Russia and the wheat crop that they export because they're the larger exporter rather than Ukraine. So that was kind of impacting on there, but we're looking at some bottoms in some of the grain markets. Again, you got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading does involve risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.